A Rockford area business's success is all relative. As the family has grown, so has the customer base. We see that's not a coincidence in this week's Made in the State line.
Our roots are here, our ties are here. We have a certain level of loyalty into the Rockford area, and so we'll continue to expand here.
Dietmar Gellner carries on the tradition his father started more than 5 decades ago. Advanced Machine and Engineering, AME, was founded in 1966. Headquarters is here on Latham Street in Rockford.
We make a lot of components that people will design into their machinery. We build special machines, and in addition we do a lot of contract manufacturing, machine design and build.
Brad Patterson is AME's VP of Operations.
So we've got a wide range of customers that we make these for. We have OD and ID grinding capacity up to, 2 meters or longer. These are precision shafts for machine tools.
Our business needs to be driven by the needs and the requirements that our customers have. And if we're listening to them, we believe we can come up with products and services that the marketplace will require.
AME has a sister company, Hennig, in Machesney Park.
Hennig focuses mainly on machine protection, providing products out of fabric and sheet metal, as well as chip conveying systems, and we also have gotten heavy into the power generation business.
Business is going so well, both companies are expanding. They've scheduled a pair of groundbreakings for next week. Total new space is about 60,000 square feet. That could mean 100 new jobs in the near future. To meet that need, the company created its own apprenticeship program.
It has helped us tremendously. As you probably know, there's a big skills gap, and those jobs are so difficult to fill, and so our philosophy is let's train our own.
Train your own or raise your own. There's now a third generation of Gellners involved in the companies, joining Dietmar, his 2 brothers, and sister.
And the next generation gets along very well. I don't see any issues with that, and so the expansion is just going to continue, and excited about providing more jobs for the community. You know that manufacturing was huge in Rockford, and many had to close down during the recessions, and we're still going strong. Again, by the grace of God, I don't see how else it can be done.
We look at Advanced Machine Engineering and Hennig as an extended family.
The roots of the company go all the way back to Europe, where Willie Gellner, Dietmar and Marika's dad, was born. He lived through World War II, was forced out of his home in Poland, ended up in Russian-controlled Germany. It's a great story. Christy Nix will profile Willie in her State Line Strong segment tomorrow on Eyewitness News, More Local in the Morning.